Hi, I'm Handyman Graham, and welcome to my channel. You may know me from Alexandra Gator's videos, but don't worry, I'm still going to be helping her with all of her amazing makeover videos. But I'm also going to be making more in-depth DIY content on this channel. Pretty straight. Nice. While I am a self-celebrated raccoon, I do love new and flashy things. So on this channel, I'm going to combine amazing sidewalk finds.
I did see a coffee table not too long ago that was kind of promising. Maybe it's gone.
Thrift flips. Look at this. What is this? I really like this.
This is nice.
But also creating things from scratch.
Oh, cool.
My mission is to empower you with affordable tips, step-by-step DIY instructions, and budget-friendly hacks that make home improvement accessible. I'm dedicated to sustainability.
After I'm done using this sand, I'm not gonna throw it out. I'll find something to do with this.
Creativity.
I'm thinking maybe like homemade concrete legs.
Affordability.
Offered 40, they countered with 60, and we sell it on 50.
That all have a massive impact on a small budget. So whether you're a professional home renovator or have never held a screwdriver before,
Sheesh! Ow, sheesh!
my goal is to create content that appeals to anyone with a creative spirit or who just really likes to do things themselves. So please subscribe and join me on my trash to treasure journey, one project at a time. See you soon. I'm so excited, I can't wait.